I honestly think Ronaldo's becoming one of those animals I'm going to be attached to. I mean, look at him. Yeah. And he's from like,
Here's the Gulf Coast Centurion with the arbor blades, just to see. I've tested another one as well. And yes, these use a 188 by 25 millimeter motor, so very good performer. It's one of those outdoor fans too as well.
It doesn't sound so good, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't. Definitely something's up there. Something's like hitting. I can tell.
Yeah, we have an issue with that fan.
Well, something was hitting it, like, for the motor.
Oh, okay.
So that's definitely something I hear a lot when it comes to working with fans. Sometimes something gets caught up in there. It could be that. So that's probably what caused that noise, depending what they did to it. So
Very soft.
and here's full power for one of these. I'm not going to show this on high too long because it is wobbling. So that's it.